Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the Live Trading Alert Call Room. Today is Thursday, November 3rd. And I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Today, from left to right, we had two trades, possibly three, although most people only two, and I'm going to run through everything here from left to right. First trade we had in gold was an S play. We got into that either on the 912 candle or the 915 candle. People were in as low as 1296.7 and as high as 1297.1. In either event, you can see that we took the trade up, and it was never in any danger. And my target here was 1301 to 1302 area. I told everybody I was getting out of 1301. And for those people who were in that wanted to do an add-on, we did an add-on at 1299.4 there for extra profits. So up to about 43 ticks plus an additional 16 ticks up to the 31. It actually went 20, but again, the 1301 was pretty much where I was telling people would be a good spot, just because it had already traveled, 40 plus ticks at that point. In crude, we had a short in crude. That one did not follow through very much. We got about 45.34 or 45.33. Down to 21, so up to about 10 ticks on that one, and went 12, but 8 to 10 is normally where somebody would take their profits there. And then we had the news come out at 9, kind of pushed it up a little bit. It eventually did come back down to our first target, and then eventually down to our second target, which was right here. We did not get back into this. Had a couple things going on. We did not get back in, so small winner there. And then on the ES, again, not a lot of people were in this trade. We were, pretty darn dead in the ES. Told everybody, if you look at the time here, it was the same time we got into the crude or the gold. Said, look, if you're in the gold triggered first, and then we were sitting in the trade in profits. I said, look, if you're in the gold, there's no reason to go and sit there and be in both markets, because this ES is, it's kind of dead. We were really looking for it to get down negative and close somewhere down here first, and then I had a target of 88, and then 83 or 82.75. 83, and it just never went. Actually, we closed the room a tad early, and then we actually got short here. We added, anybody who took this would have been stopped out, but again, there wasn't that many people in the trade, because you can clearly see this gold triggered first time wise, and it's just, we don't want people really necessarily in two trades at one time. But for those who did took it, that would have been a stop there. We did actually hit this target down here at lunch. Went right down to the 88, and then let's see where it's at now. It was going choppy here. It finally did hit that 82.75, 83, and who knows, it may go lower. Just didn't do too much in the morning session, so that was that. So we're going to come back tomorrow and do it all over again. Until then, guys, have a great